In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on a Wix website. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page where you want the video to appear. This is where you will be able to place, connect, and manage the video directly inside your site layout. Adding video in Wix is a simple process. And once you know where the tools are, it becomes very easy to repeat on any page of your website. On the left side of the editor, click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. This opens the panel that contains all the items you can insert into your site, including text, images, buttons, galleries, and of course, video options. From there, select Video and Music. This section is where Wix groups the media tools that let you embed or upload video content. Next, choose Single Video Players. You will see different player options, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Wix Video. Pick the one that works best for the type of video you want to use. Then drag that player onto your page. As you place it, think about where it will fit best visually and make sure here is enough space for viewers to watch comfortably. Once the player is on the page, click Change Video. This is the setting you will use to either upload your own video file or paste an external video link. If your video is already hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, simply paste the video URL into the appropriate field. This is often the quickest option and can help reduce the amount of media hosted directly on your site. If you want to host the video directly on your Wix site instead, start by clicking the video element and selecting Change Video again. Then choose Uploads or click the computer icon depending on the version of the editor you are using. After that, click Upload Media and select the video file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish completely before moving on, especially if the file is large. When the upload is done, select the video from your uploaded media and click Add to Page. Your video will now be connected to the player and displayed on your website. At this point, you can continue adjusting the size and placement so it matches the rest of your page design and looks clean for visitors. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.